Hi guys, the sun is in my eye. I'm at the side of my house, and guys, we're gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna pick up a prescription from the pharmacy, but I decided not to drive. I'm gonna walk, and this will be my little exercise. All right, so let's go to the pharmacy. So guys, the sun is hot. Why look for black girl born in the sun? So guys, I'm gonna turn it around so you see where I'm going. All right. Oh, it's so cool though, although the sun is hot. All right, there you have the bus. Cars driving by. These are some apartments. So this is a little plaza, guys, where I'm gonna go pick up my stuff. And I decided to walk. It's like 5 minutes walk or less. If you walk fast, it should be less. So that little part, you get your car fixed there. Little garage, auto repair. Guys, I haven't sit in one of this bus stop for a long time. Look at it, guys. Alright, so we're gonna cross the street together. Alright. So this is me crossing the street, guys. So this is me crossing the street, alright guys? I have to cross and then cross again. Right. Boom, boom. And so that's me. I finally crossed. And then I'm going to go over the little plaza. Guys, you know what I had? I had some soup for my supper, like brunch, dinner. Oh my god, the soup is so good. Let me turn it around so you can see the plaza. That's a little plaza here. Not a big one, it's a little. I take the shortcut. You have a little, what that? Dental, bakery, pizza place, beauty salon, shawarma, nail and spa, cleaners, Dollar Tree, corner store, and it's like Cassie's Pharmacies in the front, and there's a clinic in the back. So that's just it. It's so pretty today. Super pretty. It's good for a nice vlog. Yes, people going about their business. Guys, I didn't wear a mask today. Oh my god, I should have, but it's so sunny and nice. I didn't wear any mask. So I'm gonna go in now and go collect my thing. I don't want to put anybody in it, guys. You know how it go already. People come cuss me out. But you put me in a camera. So I'm gonna go in. Good luck. Alright guys, I gotta shut it off, and after I buy it, I come back and show you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn it off. So basically this is it. Alright guys, so I got my stuff and I'm out. Make sure to sanitize my hand when I go home because I didn't bring anything. Yeah. I'm walking. It's so beautiful today, guys. I didn't show you what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. The sun is too hot, so guys, when I reach in the shady, I'll come on back. Sun hot in my head, hot in my head. heading back home, guys. Sun hot. Alright guys, I'm heading home. Oh, look how green and beautiful the place is, guys. Can you see that? Oh. Guys, some people have road rage. I'm simply crossing the street and the lady said hello. I was walking as fast as I can. Oh Lord. Oh God. Poor people. Let me stop under the shady to say hi to you guys. Oh, it's so cool under here. Guys, did you hear that lady? I was walking like this to cross and the lady said, hello. I'm like, hello, who? Who, hello? Oh my God, almost she scared the camera out of my hand. What the heck? What about people? What's your problem, lady? If you want to go before, you should have. The lady wait for me to go and then after I'm crashing, she's like, hello. I'm like, come on. Get real here. Alright guys, but it was a good walk with you. Don't let people get you down. If they get mad at you and you know you did not do anything wrong, just smile at them. You have a wonderful day. And then guys, they will eat their hearts out. Alright guys, you have a good day and I'll catch you soon. It was a good walk. Oh, it's so cool and nice.